Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers, guests, and all my dear friends. Today we are here to talk about something which really guides our life as the citizen of India, our Constitution. A very warm good morning to everyone present here. Through this conversation, we would like to share our thoughts on a very important topic, my rights and my duties. Maria, we often hear people were talking about their rights, but do we really understand what the right actually means? That's a very important question. Rights are the basic freedoms and protections given to every citizen by the Constitution so that we can live with dignity, equality and freedom. Yes, the Constitution of India gives us fundamental rights and one of the most important is right to equality which ensure all the citizens of India are the equal before the law regardless of caste, gender, religion or background. Another important right is the right to freedom. It allows us to express our thoughts, speak freely and choose our profession but with responsibility. We are also blessed with the right to education, which provides free and compulsory education to the children at the age of 6 to 14 years. Education plays a vital role in shaping our future. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar rightly said, cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. But tell me honestly, Maria, can a nation progress if people only talking about their rights and forget their duties? Not at all. Rights and duties are like two sides of the same coin. Without duties, rights lose their true value. Yes, the fundamental duties remind us to respect the Constitution of India, the national flag and the national anthem. They also teach us to protect the environment, maintain unity, promote harmony and respect all people. As a student, our most important duty is to study sincerely, follow the discipline, respect the teachers and work for the nation's progress. For example, if I enjoy the right to freedom of speech, it is my duty not to misuse it by spreading hatred or false information. If education is our right, then it is our duty to use our knowledge for the welfare of the society and the nation. Mahatma Gandhi once said, the true source of rights is duty. If we all discharge our duties, rights will not be far to seek. Our Constitution not only gives us rights, but also teach us how to live responsibly. When we respect others' rights and perform our duties honestly, we strengthen our democracy. A responsible citizen follow the law, help others and work for the nation's progress. So today, let us promise not only to demand our rights, but also to perform our duty with honesty, discipline and dedication. Thank you.